Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga. And in this video, I am going to talk you class 7 Computer Science. And here is the second chapter, Cyber Ethics, Crimes and Safety. This is the seventh day of this chapters. I have already talked to you 6 classes. In the previous classes, I have talked to you about the cyber ethics. There's advantages and some of the unethical practices which is generally going on in our societies. I have also discussed all those things. So whenever we are using our systems or internets, or we are using the social websites, so we should be careful, so otherwise we cut in dangerous positions. So what are the safety measures we should take so that we are safe whenever we are using the computer or internet? Let's see one by one. First point, so never open the unreliable websites on the internet. Whenever we are using the internet facilities, we should open only the brand websites. Never ever open the unreliable websites. Otherwise, it harm you, or some of the viruses would comes, and hackers and crackers probability is there's more. Second point, so consult your parents about which websites to be accessed or which websites are not to be accessed, because your parent know about more about all those internet websites. So whenever you try to open which type of websites should be very beneficial to you and which type of websites harm you, so you have to consult your parents, otherwise you cut in the dangerous positions. uh, Next point, don't share your personal information and images on unreliable web portals. So you have some of the personal informations, individual informations, IDs and images. Never ever say you have to share all those personal information on the any unreliable web portals. Otherwise, they misuse your informations and they harm you. The fourth point, never download any unauthorized information or softwares uh, from internet without the knowledge of your parent. So whenever you are downloading any type of information from the any unreliable websites, so you must share all those things to your parents, because your parents know so which type of website is good or which type of website is not good, which is beneficial to you and which is not beneficial to you. If you cut in any problem, then it is your parents which recover from that dangerous position. So you have to keep knowledge to your parents whenever you are downloading such type of information or you are downloading such type of softwares. The next point, don't share your password or login ID to your friend or age. Never ever say you have to share your passwords or login IDs, otherwise they will do misuse of your IDs and passwords. They can able to send some wrong messages to your family and relatives, and you becomes harassed by having such type of messages. Sixth point, if you are accessing your private information on the computers other than yours, make sure you have logged it properly. I mean to say, if you are using the cyber cafes, and many other people are also going there, so if you have not logged out it properly, then they will use your password and login IDs and misuse you. So you have to very careful, so that you have to log out such type of accounts very properly. Seventh point, use only the original CDs in your system. So whenever you are using the CDs, so you have to use the original CD. Don't use the copy CDs, otherwise from that CDs some of the viruses would come and it may fault your files and folders. So use such type of original CDs. Again, some next points we have. So I will cover later on. So how was this video? You have to comment. Thank you.